everybody, I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's a special walkthrough Wednesday. I'm joined again by my good friend David of the Nocatee's CDD, and guess what everyone, we're at the Nocatee Sports Complex. We haven't done a video here before, so I'm excited that David's going to walk us around. So thanks, David.
Thank you. Yes, we've had the complex here for a little while since we started, but we expanded it in the summer of 2020. We added 4 new pickleball courts. Pickleball is one of the most exciting, fast-paced, fastest growing sports in the United States and actually in the world. Australia is huge in pickleball right now.
Wow.
We actually expanded, or we recoded the basketball courts. You can see that we have 3 half courts and a little shade pavilion there for the residents. Now, these are good for all residents that have access, and we have 4 square and some other items for the little ones as well.
And then where is the door to this area?
Right here, we have a gate. Again, you just need an access card here. And open it up. And
then do residents bring their own balls, David, or is it something they check out? How does that work?
Yes, you bring your own balls, play at your own risk, and it's hot right now in the summertime, but early mornings and into the evenings, it gets really crowded.
Absolutely, and I love the 4 square. I see that. I just love all of this hopscotch out there. There's so much to do in this space. And again, like David said, especially in the fall and our winter months, this place can be packed. And in the center, I've always loved that little shade structure where we have a water fountain over there.
Absolutely.
And then what's great is, let's imagine the kids are here and the parents are playing pickleball. So we're going to go into that space. But 12 lit pickleball courts here in Nocatee. And that is something that has been requested for years, and Nocatee heard your request, and residents love it. Now for pickleball, is there a sign up, David, or can we just show up and join in?
You can show up and play. They do have certain leagues, and there's actually a pickleball ambassador with Nocatee, and they have different skill levels. So if you're just starting out as a beginner, don't be afraid and get mixed in with the experts. You'll have a space there to play for the beginners, the intermediate, and the more advanced player.
I love that. I love that it's for everyone. I do want to show people how they enter pickleball courts. So again, we'll walk over here. So you'll come up, you need that resident ID card. So David's going to demonstrate one more time. So you'll scan your ID card, and remember, you get your ID cards once you close on your home for homeowners, and you get that from Resident Services. So please always go to Resident Services to get that card.
And these are the 4 new courts that we added just in the summer of 2020. Added fresh blue windscreen to match the theming, and the green and blue new striping on all the courts. The key is the lighting, though. It really is important. We added lighting to all the courts now, so early mornings, I mean, these courts are busy 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning, all the way up to 10 o'clock at night. And it gives you access now to play anytime.
And do the lights automatically come on at certain hours, or is it something that you turn, like a turning lighting
They
system?
have, it's on a timer,
okay. And
the timer is right there on the post, so anyone can come up if you're playing and turn on the lights there.
So again, you can kind of see, I hope Carling, it's showing through the windscreens. Seeing people right now playing pickleball. It's a beautiful, beautiful summer day, actually. And then the beautiful preserved trees that's in the background. And we're walking around, and where Carling is taking us now is on the opposite side of the pickleball courts. You're going to actually find the sand volleyball courts.
So the sand volleyball court used to be located by the new pickleball, the 4 new pickleball courts, and we put it on the backside here. Again, this is lit with ambient lighting, so you have you can play volleyball. It's not access controlled, so anyone can come and play. But yeah, that's very popular too, especially Saturday, Sunday, early mornings. You'll find a pretty good crowd out there playing volleyball.
I guarantee there's leagues out there.
Oh, absolutely.
Now, what Carling is showing is one of my favorite spots, and that's Nocatee Station Field. Nocatee Station Field is really the heart of Nocatee and a fan favorite. And the reason why, this is where our farmers market is held, the 3rd Saturday every month. This is where our food truck nights are held. We even have events yearly like the Ponte Vedra Auto Show. We have Roscaloosa, which is a singer-songwriter music festival. And Carling, I don't know if you're getting the stage around the corner, but this stage really is set up for big time musicians and bands to come. We have had tour buses pull up behind it. So this is an incredible space. Right now, there's just kids out there. You can play in this space. It is warm and welcome for all Nocatee residents. And what you're hearing, that's the sound of the bucket about to drop at the Spray Water Park.
And to touch on the Nocatee Station Field, they'll have events simply as small as a bingo night or a family movie night as well. It's not always the bigger events, but throughout the weeks and throughout the months, there's smaller events for the little ones all the way up to the adults.
And I like that you mentioned bingo nights, because Nocatee, with our 2 directors of fun that work in the CDD resident services, what they plan is a family bingo night, and then another week they'll plan an adult bingo night, which is 21 and up. So like David is saying, there are events for everybody. We also have trivia nights. And what they'll do is they'll actually open up Blue Water Bar and Grill, which that is located at our Spray Water Park, but they'll open it on the Nocatee Station Field side, so residents can enjoy a nice drink if they choose. So again, just a great space. This sports complex, this hub of major amenities for Nocatee, really is the heart and soul where residents come together. So when you move here from another state, you don't know anybody, you want to attend all of our events. I want to remind people that our events, they are found on Nocatee.com. Click on the resident tab, scroll down, and you'll actually see the monthly event calendar and descriptions on what they actually mean.
Absolutely. And so what you're looking at now is a swim club at Nocatee. It's an 8-lane lap pool. It's heated. So at 5 a.m. it's up and running and going all throughout the year, because it's the only heated pool here in Nocatee. It is home to our Nocatee Blue Tide swim team, which is currently practicing right now. But again, it gives you an option. This is Nocatee is a very active community. I'm going to show you in here.
Awesome. And with the Blue Tide swim team, I want to let people know we not only have a summer swim team, but we have a very competitive year-round swim team. So if you are a true competitor and want that year-round swimming, we have elite coaches, and we have an 8-lane junior Olympic size swimming pool here for you to enjoy. And do we have showers also over here?
We do have bathrooms and showers for the residents there.
I love that. And I want to let people know, if you're watching this video and you are not a resident of Nocatee, but you're considering it, our farmers market and food truck nights are open to the public. So we actually want you to come out and enjoy and get that lifestyle and experience. So please look at Nocatee.com again. So again, the Blue Tide swim team, year-round competitive swim team. They've actually won the summer championship 2 years in a row, and the year-round, these are elite swimmers. So please come out. We look forward to you being a part of our Nocatee family. Thank you, David.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay, bye.
Bye.